In this video, I will compare the top 3 open-source audio players for your Raspberry Pi to help you pick the perfect one for your home setup. We are looking at Volumio, moOde, and RuneAudio. Volumio is the most polished option with a stunning modern interface and a huge library of plugins. It is incredibly easy to set up, but many advanced features are hidden behind a paid subscription which might annoy some users. If you prefer a completely free experience, moOde Audio is a fantastic choice. It offers deeper customization and better control over your hardware without charging a monthly fee, though the interface feels a bit more technical. Then we have RuneAudio, which is famous for being extremely lightweight and fast. It is great for older hardware, but development has slowed down significantly compared to the others. If you want a premium feel and do not mind paying, choose Volumio. If you want total control for free, go with moOde. For a simple and fast setup, RuneAudio remains a classic.